Hey, what's going on everybody? This is UltraSonicHero, and I just want to say thank you all so much for 2,000 subscribers. You guys are the best. I keep earning more subscribers every single day, and it's all thanks to you amazing fans. So as promised, I'm going to be giving you an exclusive tour of my own recording studio in my room. I hope you all enjoy. Welcome to my recording studio. This is where all the magic happens. First of all, I have one acoustic guitar, I have 3 electric guitars. One of them is in the Ornaments, which I'm going to show you that later on. Now you may be wondering why I use this big lamp. Well, I use that to make my own videos in real life, such as unboxing videos or vlog videos, to make the light a lot more professional because I like white lights. And over here you can see there's my new desktop that I got from CX, and this was worth £360 and it was a bargain, and I'm loving it so much. This is one hell of a beast, and by that I mean this is an amazing desktop. I even get to watch my videos in 4K. As you can see, there's the fans. I can just open up the flap and close it again, and I love it. It's a really good desktop and I love it. As you can see, there's my Nintendo Switch, and there's my Panasonic Smart TV in 4K, and I even get to watch my videos in 4K when I'm using Windows 10. So it's amazing. And you can see there's my Yamaha Audiogram 3. Now I use that to record instruments, my commentary, my voice acting, my vocals, and there's my iPhone. Next up, I'm going to show you my Yamaha Keyboard. This is a very good keyboard, by the way. I use that to record bass, synths, orchestras, strings, drums, and much more. And I can even use it to make my own 16-bit tracks, and also my other music tracks that I can make. Speaking of which, I will be making a new music video which will be released either this month or the next month, but don't you worry, it is going to be uploaded onto YouTube and it'll be converted in 1080p. So anyways, I'm going to show you my new bed. This is what it looks like, and it's a really comfy bed. Even though it did cost a lot of money, I couldn't remember the exact price, but it was totally worth it. It's nice and soft, and it keeps me nice and warm when I'm sleeping in bed. So remember what I mentioned about the Ornaments? Well, I'm going to show you right now. So what I'm going to do is lift this bed up the way, and this is where I store all of my things. My bass guitar, my amplifier, my case, and if you're wondering what my case contains, it's got all the men's jewelry that I purchased. And there's my Super Smash Bros book, and my router, my super dry bag. This is where I store my things. So yeah, it's a pretty good room, and a really comfy bed. Next up, I'm going to show you my ornaments. Now there's 3 of them that I purchased from HomeSense. I have 1 mic on the left and 2 mics on the right. I've got a green gem, I've got 2 quartz crystals which I love collecting, by the way, and I have a PlayStation ornament which requires batteries, but when it lights up in the dark it'll look groovy at night time. And I only just keep them on the windowsill because I like to display them. And you're gonna see me holding the camera in a moment. You can see me. Hi there! And on the left I have 2 Legend of Zelda posters. One of them is a 25th anniversary edition, and the other one is a Breath of the Wild, which is one of my favorite Legend of Zelda games of all time. Next, I'm going to show you that I purchased a new badass looking keyboard. It's called the Razer Black Widow Korma version 2, and this was over £100. And the best part is, you can even customize your own color of lights on your keyboard, which is amazing. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, that looks like a toilet seat. Well, you're wrong. It's my own stool, and it's dope. So when I open the lid, I can store all of my things in there, such as my money, books, cases, games, and all that. But either way, it's a really good stool. I've probably had it over a year. You may think it's a toilet seat, but it's a seat. Right, I'm going to show you my cables in my drawer. I've got too many cables, in fact. I've got a microphone cable, I've got my guitar cable. I also have a green screen that I use to make my funky backgrounds and of course feature myself. I have my microphone, it's got gold plated. It looks really cool. I've had it for a long time. And it also came with a pop shield. Next up, I'm going to show you my gaming consoles and my controllers. So on the left drawer, I've got my Nintendo GameCube, Nintendo Wii, Nintendo Wii U, and my Sega Genesis Mega Drive 2. I've got controllers. There's a lot of stuff I have. Probably too many, but it's a good thing that I got 2 drawers so I can store a lot of my stuff. And I think that's all I'm going to show you. That's just about everything. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.